What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I did want to do the I tried following such and such, but I can't try to follow anybody and I can't see. So I'm just have to wait until I get some new contacts and all that so I can follow people. Can't follow anybody, can't see nothing, sus. So what I did decide to do is the natural face with the freckles. And if you guys are interested in that, I've been wanting to do it for so long and I've never got around to doing it. I don't know why not, but today I just want to try it and see how it goes. So if you are interested in seeing that, then make sure you guys keep watching. So what I want to start by doing is moisturizing my face because that is super duper duper important. And I'm going in with the Embryolisse moisturizer. This is also a primer, so I don't know if I'm going to prime today. My skin has been doing its own thing lately. Like when I tell you broken out, I'm really broken out. So I try to use my different lens today and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I care for it. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. So I've been seeing that my subscriber count has been going up and down, up and down. And what I want to say is, if you watching me right now and you know that, you want to subscribe, but you just indecisive, don't even subscribe. Nobody got time for that, okay? I'm telling you, legit, it was 1:30 at night. I'm online, looking at videos. Come back to my page. Literally, somebody unsubscribed. I'm like, who even got, who got the time? It's 1:30. What are you doing, sis? What are you doing? You ain't got nothing else to do but subscribe and unsubscribe. Really? We don't have time for that. I gotta be patient until I get some money to purchase contacts. Contacts are very expensive, especially for people who got two different prescriptions in each eye. And because that is me, my stuff is expensive. So I'm going in with all the newest products, basically. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And this area is really where the freckles are going to be going. Yeah, my little mustache trying to grow in. And I didn't feel like waxing it, quite frankly. So I'm going to use a brush to blend this out. I don't know how long it's been since I used a brush to do this. I really hope that I like the way this turns out, literally. Because I can't see. Tutorials are a little, intimidating. So I wanted to go for a more natural face because we doing the freckle thing and we want it to look as natural as possible. I don't want to look like I'm actually wearing makeup and trying to apply freckles. Okay, so I am going to use this, the BH Cosmetics brow powder stuff. And I'm going to take, this brown shade right here and use that to create the freckles. So I'm going to start off big. and then small. Ta-da! So what I'm gonna do next is grab some mascara because we are keeping it a little natural besides the brows, because them eyebrows look like they are not natural at all. Ugh. So we got our freckles, and which I really think I like. I look cute with freckles. Oh my God. Okay. So now I want to put some lip gloss on. Okay, so I went right on ahead and popped some lip gloss on off camera. The purpose of this video was really like the freckles, in which I think I'm really feeling. Oh my God, I got freckles. Anyways, ignore this wig because I just was cutting on it and I need a new one. And yeah. So if you enjoyed this video and you learned a little bit about how to apply freckles to your own face, why am I not? Look at me. I'm just all over the place. You get new freckles and you just don't know how to act. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure you like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, like me just applying freckles and adding to my everyday makeup looks, then make sure you guys comment below and let me know that. And then like if you like this channel, you can subscribe. But don't be like the people who I talked about earlier who subscribe and then like a few minutes later they decide that they don't want to be subscribed no more and they unsubscribe. Like, that's not loyal. That's not loyal. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Mwah.